You also have the option to put out fires before they start by using troubleshooting articles. And provide step-by-step solution that is easy for the team to follow. So you can click on troubleshooting article, then click next, provide a title to the article. For example, you can create an article on how to set up printer on Mac. Printer Mac setup, and then create. So you can see there is a predefined template where you have a problem, so you can add a brief description about the problem. Then you can provide solution by adding steps to it, what needs to be done to like set up the printer. You can highlight information by using the info panel macro, and you can add related articles, and if there are any related content basis the label, that content would be displayed over here. And once you're done, just publish this page. So you can see there is another index page which has been created with the name troubleshooting articles, because we had users blueprint for the first time, and that's why an index page has been created for this article as well. So if you go back to the overview, you can see that the knowledge base space also provides you the option to find solution quickly with live search or browse popular topic. So if you want to look for something on the printer, you can just click on here and you can see that there is a page or article with the printer. You can also browse the topic basis the labels which we have used. So you can see we had used these labels and these are like mentioned over here, and if you want to browse the topic, you can refer to these particular topics as well for quick reference. So basically this space blueprint uses search and page labels to make content easier to find. And the best part is that the templates used in these page blueprints, we had used like how-to articles and troubleshooting articles, are completely customizable. One quick tip over here, since this particular page is created for communication best practices, definitely the team members who are looking for this information would want themselves to be updated at all times whenever a new practice or a relevant document is added to this space. So in that case, for them to get notified and have the communication with them, it's advisable that if it's a blog post, encourage your team members to watch for new blog posts in their space. If it's a page, they can watch the pages that interest them or watch the entire space by clicking over this I button. They can also comment on the page. Or knowledge base articles. This is a simple way to connect with the end users. You can also create RSS feed and add the link to your knowledge base homepage by just clicking on the help icon and going to feed builder. So you have the option to create RSS feed over here. Alternatively, you can also encourage users to create their own feed. So in case they want to keep up with particular topics or labels, they should create their own feed rather than receiving notification for the whole space.